We need to grow seaweed to be able to produce food and other materials in a more sustainable way. If you look at the farming and food producing side, we use way too much land and we use too much fresh water. The good thing about seaweed is that we don't use any land at all. The only thing we need is the light of the sun and what's already in the ocean. People have been eating it in Asia for thousands of years, and the more we use it and the more we make it available for people in Europe, we can sort of get used to eating it and get it into our own kitchens and to our own tradition. The ocean is almost endless. It's really big and it's three-dimensional, so it's really space efficient to use that to grow food. It's getting better and better with regulations and permits and stuff to be able to grow seaweed on a large scale. And within the coming years, hopefully there will be farms all over the Swedish coast and around the coast of Europe as well. I can see that from a rising demand in different areas. Not just food and bioplastics and stuff, but also in cosmetics, nutritions and whatnot. So there's a wide range of different application areas. And at some point, there's going to be a complete seaweed section in the stores, and it's going to be easy for the customer to choose from different products for different dishes and stuff. And just go home and cook it in your kitchen. So it's going to be more and more common, I guess, the coming years as well.